Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Why Am I Always Being Asked to Like, Subscribe, and Share? Why are you always being asked to like, subscribe, and share? Well, there's a couple reasons. All of them are really great. Liking and sharing a video helps the video be discovered by other YouTube watchers, other viewers. It gets more eyeballs onto the video, which is super important for new creators and creators in general who are just trying to put out good content and grow their channels. If you like a video, or even if you don't like a video, but I suggest not liking a video, because there's just no point to it. If you don't like a video, don't watch it. If you do like a video, give a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. It helps that video be seen by other people. So totally do that for all the videos you like, no matter if you like the video, if you like the channel, always hit the thumbs up. And if you like the content of that channel, subscribe to that channel. You don't even have to go and watch it all the time, but just being a subscriber helps that channel grow. It helps YouTube recognize the channel as a interesting channel, a channel that they want to promote to other viewers, and they will. It's automatic algorithm or something big and complicated like that helps videos with likes, shares, and channels with subscribers. It helps their videos to be seen more often by more people. So it's really great if you do that. And I know that I have some subscribers who are always asking my other subscribers to hit the thumbs up, and I appreciate that so much. Sylvia, it's you, because it means a lot to me, and I don't think of doing it. I think of it as like nagging. I don't want to nag you. I'm just glad I'm spending time with you. So, but if you do hit the thumbs up button, it means a lot, and I really appreciate it. And I'd appreciate it if you did it for other creators who you enjoy their content also. It means a lot. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, share, become a subscriber, and above all, stay hooked. So that's why it's always great to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, everybody. And is it too bright? It is too bright, right?